I have firm tofu, which I drained, and I didn't press it, but I did remove a lot of the liquid, and I cut it into cubes. And yes, I did say firm because I've tried it with silken, which is the softer tofu, and the texture was great, but the flavor just tasted kind of off. So strangely enough, the firm tofu just tastes better, and I want it a little bit sweeter. So I've got one very ripe banana. Pumpkin is pretty strong flavor. 1 teaspoon of coconut aminos. Now, it did need a little bit of salt, but when I topped it with salt, it was just too salty. So it's better just to put it inside. And I like coconut aminos because it's less salty than soy sauce and salt. So 1 teaspoon, not a whole lot. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of spice, just a little bit of cinnamon will go nice with the pumpkin. Just a little bit, totally optional. Actually, I love cinnamon. I'll add a little bit more because I love the sweetness of it. I'm gonna add a little bit of garlic powder. Blend this until creamy. Check out this color. Look at that pumpkin color, it's so pretty. Isn't that incredible? It totally looks like cheese. Thank goodness it's not, because I wouldn't go near it. Look at that, isn't that beautiful?